How to log in into your Gmail account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into your Gmail account. For this, you want to open the Gmail app on your device. If you do not have the Gmail application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install this. Now over here, you have the option of Set Up Email. Tap on the Google option. Now here, in order to sign in using your Google account, you will have to enter your email or phone number. Once you have entered your Gmail ID, tap on the next option. Now, the next step is to enter your password. Go ahead and enter that. If you have forgotten your password, tap on the Forgot Password option. Then you will be able to reset your password from there. After your password has been reset, simply type it over here and tap on the next option. Now tap on the I agree option over here. Now you can skip all of this by tapping on the Not Now option. And as you can see, you have successfully logged into your Gmail account, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.